Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your mouse on the smartphone. I've tried it on two different devices, Android based. I've not tried it on iOS, but I'm pretty sure that it's actually going to work. So I've tried it on the phone that I'm using to cast, which is Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. I've tried it on it and it worked perfectly. And I tried it on this phone, this particular one I'm holding on my hand, which is a Redmi Note 10 Pro, and it worked perfectly. I've actually tried it also on a smart screen, which is Hisense 50 inches smart screen, and it worked perfectly. So stay with me as I show you how you can achieve that. These are the devices I used in trying them out, and it worked. This is my mouse. This is a T38 2.4G wireless mouse. I got this from Jumia. It's been like 2 years I've been using it, and it has been serving me. One thing about this mouse is that it's soundless, all right, and it's very efficient, so it has not given me issue. And the mouse is actually rechargeable, so once the battery goes off, you can connect it to your power and recharge it. Okay, it has a connector here. Then I have this USB to Type C converter. All right, I got this one from AliExpress. Actually, this mouse is no longer on Jumia. I don't know why, but I searched online. Even on AliExpress I couldn't find it, but I saw it on one of the websites like that. All right, I will drop it in the description section on the website where I saw it. So for us to start, we'll need to get the wireless mouse connector and then Type C converter. That's our USB to Type C converter. So I'm going to connect both. I'm going to connect the both. All right. Then I get my phone, my Redmi Note 10 Pro. Then I'm going to plug it. All right, you can see the light. So this particular USB to Type C converter has a LED indicator to show you when it's actually connected. So after the connection, if I click on the mouse, you can see the cursor moving on the screen of the phone. So I can click and drag to navigate through the phone. You can see that. So I can swipe with the mouse to see the applications installed on the phone. So you can see how it's working. I can click to open anything. All right, scroll on the phone to get whatever I want to get, and it's actually working perfectly. Okay, I can even use it to switch between applications. All right, and it works. So one thing I discovered about this particular discovery on this Redmi Note 10 Pro is that switching between applications here, the scrolling button on the mouse, it's not working here. All right, it's not working. Rather, what I did, or what you can do, is to click and drag. All right, so this is how it's working, and it's working pretty well. So another thing I figured out is that on the on my Samsung Galaxy A54, the right clicking button, when you click on it, it gives you more options, all right, on some of the things you can do. So just like here, if I do right click here, it's not giving me any option on this Redmi Note 10 Pro, but on my Samsung Galaxy A54, it gives me lots of options. It's as if I'm using a desktop computer, all right, and it's working perfectly. So one thing about this thing is that it's actually very good because it gives you the comfort you need to access your device. Why did I say so? After connecting this thing, I have to separate the two devices. I tested 5 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters, 20 meters apart, and it was still working perfectly. I got to 26.93 meters, all right, and the thing was still functioning. So this is why I say it gives you that comfort, all right, to work on your device from wherever you are sitting. Okay, so if you are doing Netflix and chills, right, with your smart screen, okay, so you don't necessarily need to be using your the arrow button on your remote to scroll in between whatever the components or the pages you want to or the movies you want to select. Here you can easily use your mouse and then navigate through the whole things and click on it. All right, open the one you want to open, search whatever you want to search. So if I want to close this particular one, I just drag and it will close. So this is pretty much easier and it's good. So try it out. For the iOS device users, try it out and let me know in the comment section what you think. All right, I'll be there to help you out if there's any challenge you are facing. However, you can use any mouse of your choice. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be having more content coming up, so subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you so much.